Hello everyone. So in previous video I have explained how to create customer. In this video I am going to explain how to create material. So to create a material, T code is MM01. So by using T code MM01 you can create material. Then click on enter. Then here you need to maintain industry sector and material type. If you are creating material for chemical, if it is related to electronics, according to that you need to select a industry sector. So I am going to create a material which belongs from mechanical sector. So here I am going to maintain as a mechanical engineering. Then here you need to maintain material type, means whether it is raw material, whether it is finished product, like that you need to maintain your material type. So for finished product, material type is FART. Here I am going to maintain FART. Then if you want to extend a material, then here under copy from material you need to maintain your existing material. Same material number you need to maintain here also, and then you need to change a organizational level. Suppose there is one material which is under 2499 plant, and you want to extend this material for plant 2479. Okay, these are two different plant. So if you want to extend one material to another organizational level, then here you can copy. Okay, so here under copy from you need to maintain your existing material, same material number you need to maintain here, and then select views and then maintain copy from organizational level as well as copy to organizational level. Here I am going to create one new material. That's the reason I am going to maintain only industry sector as well as material type. Then click on enter. Okay, here different, as you can see here, there are different views. Okay, so according to requirement, first you need to select view for which view you want to create a material. Okay, so here I'm going to select basic data 1, basic data 2, sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, general plant data. Then I'm going to select general plant data storage 1, 2 and accounting 1. Okay, once you have selected the views, you need to click on organizational level. So here you need to maintain your organization levels like plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution channels. For which organization level you want to create a material, you need to maintain here. Here I am going to maintain distribution channel, and once you have maintained all the organizational levels, then click on continue. Then here as you can see here 24106, this one is our material number. Once you have clicked on save, this material will create. Okay, here you need to maintain your material description. I am going to maintain as a bold. Material description is nothing but the material name. Then here under unit of measurement, you need to maintain unit of measurement of material. I am going to maintain as a PC, means piece. Then here you need to maintain your material group. So for finished product, here material group is 1007, which I have maintained. So as you can see here, there are different material groups. So according to requirement, you need to maintain material group. After that, under division, you need to maintain division. Then item category group, I have maintained as a norm, which is for standard item. Then if you need to maintain dimensions, you can maintain here. If it is packaging material, if you are configuring for if you are creating material for handling unit management, then you need to maintain here packaging material data also. Okay, so this is a standard normal material, that's the reason I am not maintaining anything. Okay, then go to basic data 2. As you can see here, environment is there, design drawing is there, client specific configuration is there. If material is configurable, then you need to click on this checkbox. So according to requirement, you need to maintain the details. Then go to sales organization data 1. Here under general data, I have maintained basic unit of measurement as a PC, division is LD, material group is 1007. Then here under tax data, you need to maintain taxes which is applicable. Click on enter. Now go to sales organization data 2. Here you need to maintain general item category group as well as item category group. Here I have maintained norm, which is for standard item. If it is service material, then you need to select different item category group. So under account assignment group, you need to maintain account assignment group, and it's a very important field to create to generate a accounting entries. Okay, so here I am going to maintain a account assignment group which is for finished goods. Click on enter. Under availability check, I will maintain as a KP which is for no check. Then maintain shipping data. Under accounting 1 view, I am going to maintain standard price as a 1000. Then price control, you need to maintain price unit, then standard price, and just click on enter. Your material has been created. So here our material number is 14106. If you want to change any field means use T code as a MM02. So MM02, this T code is for. If you want to change any field means you can use this T code MM02. To display material, T code is MM03. Okay. So to create a material, T code is MM01. To change material, T code is MM02. To display material, T code is MM03. Thanks for watching video.